The Hakone Open Air Museum, nestled in the scenic region of Hakone, Japan, offers a unique blend of art and nature spread across its expansive outdoor and indoor spaces. Established in 1969, it is Japan's first open-air museum and features an impressive collection of over 1,000 pieces, with about 120 sculptures on permanent display. Notable works include those by Pablo Picasso, Henry Moore, and Taro Okamoto, among others from both Japanese and international artists. The museum is particularly famous for its Picasso Pavilion, which houses around 300 works by the celebrated Spanish artist. Additionally, the park is adorned with dynamic and engaging sculptures such as Miss Black Power by Niki de Sanfale and Sphere Within Sphere by Arnaldo Pomodoro, which are designed to complement the natural landscape beautifully. Besides the visual arts, the museum also offers interactive experiences. These include outdoor sculptures specifically designed for children to enjoy, and a naturally fed onsen foot bath where visitors can relax while soaking their feet, blending relaxation with cultural exploration. Overall, the Hakone Open Air Museum provides a visually rich and interactive environment that appeals to art lovers of all ages, making it a must-visit destination in the area.